Poland was one of the most involved countries in World War I and World War II in Europe. This can be seen on the population graph as during the times of the World Wars, there are large dips in the population. After World War II, there is a large population spike. This eventually evened out and is recently starting to decline. After the World Wars, there are bumps in the crude birth rate because after the war, there were lots of children being born, which in turn gave the crude birth rate a wave-like pattern, where each generation creates the next wave of births. The death rate is mostly stable, with no spikes but instead going up and down slightly, most likely due to medical advances bringing the death rate down and unhealthy diets bringing the death rate back up. There are two places in Poland with very high population densities, these being the south of Poland and the capital of Poland. These are dense places because the south of Poland is an industrial area with lots of jobs surrounding industries like mining and manufacturing. The capital has high population density because that is where there are many office and business related jobs. In 1960, the population pyramid of Poland had the shape of a triangle because there were few retirement age people at the top, a bit more working age people in the middle, and lots of children at the bottom of the pyramid. There are also two bumps in the pyramid visible as an effect of the World Wars. In 2010, the population pyramid looked a bit more like a diamond shape because there were few retirement age people at the top, lots of working age people in the middle, and few children at the bottom. There are two bumps in the population pyramid in the working age. These are the same people that were mentioned in the crude birth rate graph, where the birth rate moves like a wave. In 2060, it is predicted that the shape of the population pyramid will look more like an upside-down triangle, because there will be a large retirement age population at the top, a small population of children at the bottom, and the working age people being somewhere in between that. This is a bad situation because then there will be a very high median age, and this may mean that the dependency ratio is very high. Poland has a policy in place where families get paid 500 zł per month for supporting 2 or more children. This policy was put in place to bring the population up. This would also result in a lower dependency ratio in a few years, once the children grow up and get their jobs. The issue with this policy is that some married women with low salaries are quitting their jobs because the 500 zł monthly is higher than their salary. This means that there is a smaller working population and the dependency ratio goes up. My solution to this issue is to lower the amount paid by the policy, change it from 500 zł to maybe 250 zł or 300 zł.